Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjagar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find videos related to hauls and reviews. Under hauls I have videos for makeup, skincare, accessories, footwear, bags, you name it, and mostly I have it. And under review section I have videos for makeup, skincare, accessories, all that. And each and every video is segregated under different playlists. So if you are looking out for some new launch product, then definitely go ahead directly to the new launch product playlist. You will find all the new launches. If you are looking out for some comparison, I have a separate playlist for comparison of videos, that is comparison of products. Sorry, in that particular playlist you have all the videos related to all the different comparisons, products comparisons, right? So if this is what you are looking out for, then definitely do consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there's a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Also, if you want to ask me anything in general and you do not want to write in the comment section, then definitely you can DM me. The Instagram handle will also be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. Now, if you are wondering what am I having on my lips, then yes, definitely I'm going to review today the same product which I'm having on my lips. It is from the brand Asfa Halal. It is a new launch. It is there, you can see it is Asfa Halal. Okay, it is a Asfa Halal matte liquid lipstick. This is the lipstick what I am wearing right now, if you have not heard, the same lipstick. Okay, they have the normal green packaging. I have already reviewed their compact powder. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. If you have not checked, you can check that. After watching this video, you can check this video as well. As well as I have already reviewed their eyeliner as well. So if you have not even watched that video, you can, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So don't forget to check that as well. I have already reviewed their bullet lipstick, but I am not sure whether it will be up before this video or maybe after this video. If it is up before this video, I'll link that video also up in the I button as well as in the description box, so don't forget. Now you will say, why Asfa Halal? Why you are reviewing Asfa Halal? I like Asfa Halal's product because they are halal certified. Now what did they mean? This all Asfa Halal products are free from alcohol, pig or other animal derived ingredients. They are free from all these ingredients, and that is why I prefer. I do not say ki I only buy halal certified or I only review this. No, but I prefer. I like to review. That is why I'm reviewing, and this is not at all a sponsored video. This is like purchased by my own money. That is why I have got right now one shade. If you all will give me proper response, I will definitely go ahead and buy few more shades of this same brand. Alright, few more shades of this particular same range, I mean to say. Okay, when you check the packaging, they have given over here the manufacturing and everything. When you again turn up the packaging, they have the like matte finish, super pigmented, all that they have given you. That is their claims. And if you check again, like they have basically given each and every detail, and on the fourth side they have given you manufacturing December 20. As I told you, it is recently manufactured. It is good to use till May 23, so that is almost 3 years. The MRP of this product is 325 rupees, but as you all know, this is exclusively available on purplle.com. so during sale times, and in any case in general also, you can find this product at very good discounts. And if you will use my referral code, I will give that referral code in the description box as well as it will be pinned in the comment section. So if you will use my reference code, you will get some more discount on your order, so don't forget to use that. Now what I'll do is I'll just show you the packaging. The shade which I got is 08 Sparkling Purple. They say Sparkling Purple, but there is no glitter or anything. It is total matte. Okay, so don't worry, like don't go on the name. It is just the attractive name what they have given. Okay, when you just check the packaging, it is color coded. That is, you can see the color from the tube, transparent tube with the silver cap. I'll show you close by. Right, on the top they don't have anything, but on the bottom they have given you a sticker where they specify the shade number 08 Sparkling Purple. They also have given you the manufacturing, expiry as well as the net content. Everything is given over here on the bottom of the bullet, tube. So if you want to throw away, you can throw away, you can keep this. Now what I'll do is I'll just go to Purple's site and I'll just read if they have any more claims to make. We can just They have altogether 12 shades in this. So definitely, but a few of the shades are like 18%. Right now they are, sorry, they all are on 18% off, flat 18%. But as I told you, if you buy more, you get more discount. Okay, they have all these claims, that is halal isn't limited to what is consumed food, but what is put on your skin as well. That is what they have all. Actually, I am not going to read all that, otherwise you will say, Meghna, we can read all these specifications, everything from their website. This is like what I am checking right now. They have altogether 12 shades, that is what I have told you, and 3 ml is the net content. Okay, if there any other claim they have to make, I'll just check. Specifications: halal certified, vegan, as I told you, consistent shade, high color payoff, lightweight, nourishing, single stroke application, smooth application, smudge proof, strengthening, transfer resistant, and velvety effect. That is what they have given you on the specifications. Now we will check the 2-3 test, that is the smudge proof test. So first what we'll do is, we will just put this is a single stroke application, and you can say it is matching my nail polish. Yeah, it is matching my nail polish. So this is actually one stroke. We will just let it dry for some time. By the time we will just check the kiss proof test, so we will come to know easily whether it is getting transferred, like it is coming off on my hand or no. But I can definitely say I have not applied any lip balm. Actually, I forgot to apply lip balm and I directly applied the lipstick, and trust me, I cannot feel that I have applied a liquid lipstick. Trust me for that. I feel as if I have applied any kind of normal bullet lipstick. It is that comfortable, not at all drying on my lips. For this, definitely I can say yes, it is not at all drying, since this is liquid lipstick, still not drying. I'll just check. It's getting a little bit transfer. You all can see little bit, not much. Maybe 2% out of 100. You all can see 2%. Okay, and now we will have to just wait for some time. So by the time I have already actually told you each and every thing. But if you have any other query related to, we will check this, but I'll just tell you other things. So if you have any other query related to this product, or maybe in general, definitely you do leave your precious comment in the comment section. And if you have any other video suggestions also on which you want me to make a video on, that also you can specify in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And if you want me to compare this particular liquid lipstick with any other, then definitely do let me know. If I have that lipstick, I'll definitely go ahead and make a video for you all, so that you can easily compare, because this is recently launched, so I have not compared it with right now any other liquid lipsticks. But if you want, let me know. Now I think it is more than 1 minute, if I'm not wrong. We will just check. Okay, because it is transferred over here a little bit, so I think it will smudge. But see, after transferring also, the color pigmentation, the color payoff and everything is intact. It is like not faded or anything. So I think this is a very good lipstick. Since this is just applied recently, it is, but then definitely you have to give it some more time. Okay, and if I have not told you the price, 325 is the MRP, but as I told you, during the sale time. So definitely, if you ask me whether to go for this kind of lipstick or whether to other, like you can go for other, I will say you can go for this, since this is halal certified and this is vegan product. Then definitely you know what you are applying on your lips. Alright. So yeah, that is all. If you like this video, if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and anything, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.